Did you just get divorced? Congratulations! Yeah, you may have just lost half your stuff and spent thousands of dollars on lawyers, but that's okay. Now you can find a new person to suck the life out of you. But you're bald, or you're balding. No worries. We can help you get back on Tinder, Bumble, Rumble, Match.com, Grindr. Whatever you're into, we don't care. We can help you. Delaware SMP can help bring you back to life with the most effective way to treat hair loss. Scalp micropigmentation. So much better than a hair transplant. And if you got a hair transplant, we can help you. We can camouflage the scar. We can add density to those thinning areas. I can help you, people. Call me, DM me, send me a text, set up your free consultation. I'll make sure your spouse hates you even more because you look better as a divorced person than you did as a married person. Bazinga! I'm Joey Dots, owner of Delaware SMP, and I can change your life. I can restore that hairline, restore that confidence so you can get back in the dating game and get the life sucked out of you. Call now, free consultation. I got you. Woo!